Guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the tears filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. In trending sections, just slide up until you see this image. This is the filter. Tap on it. Okay. Link to the tears. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect from the effects gallery, then what you can do, go to discover and search for tears. On the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the page you will see the record button. You can tap there to use this filter likewise. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect from discover also, then what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap on the effect icon and open it with TikTok. You need to open it with TikTok. And that's it, you got the filter. Tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen to use this effect. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this tears filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.